All right, so right now I'm standing outside of a 2021 Honda Civic LX. I'm gonna walk around this vehicle, show you guys all the cool standard features and functions. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to show your support by hitting the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much in advance. Now, as usual, let's walk up here to the Maroni sticker. You guys are welcome to pause here to explore on your own or continue exploring with me. Up on the top right-hand corner, it talks about your fuel economy. You got 30 for the city, 38 for the highway with a combined of 33. Down on the right-hand corner, talks about your safety ratings, 5 out of 5. Who doesn't love that? Where the vehicle's made at, this particular unit was made in Canada, the price point, and then the list of standard features. Comes with 2 keys, so a key 1 and a key 2. All of your Honda systems and features come standard. I'm talking about your lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and your forward collision magnetic braking with road departure. You're going to have a 2.0 4-cylinder with a CVT transmission with 158 horsepower. You're going to have LED daytime running lights. Nice little bit of chrome down below. Nice gloss black finish there for the grille. Now your daytime running lights, you get right down over here, it tugs around the headlights, wraps right around for a nice little aggressive look. We'll step right over here on the side. You got those 16-inch capped wheels. A little bit of chrome action on the top half of the windows. Body colored handles and side mirror. We have a capless gas tank, so when the car is unlocked, double tap, unlocked, push that door right there, boom, opens right up. No longer a $2 cap to argue, debate with, or to misplace. A simple slide and go, doing great. Now when the car locks, that locks. Lock, lock. As you can see, it's all locked up. We'll step here towards the back. You're going to have those LED taillights, just makes a bold statement as you apply into the brakes. Nice little chrome along the skid plate down below, and then you're going to have a multi-angle rear camera. You guys are going to be pleasantly surprised with the cargo space in the trunk. It kind of screams challenge accepted. You're going to have some nice padding within the trunk too as well, so as cargo is jumping around, you won't hear it. Also to reduce the road noise for those passengers in the rear seat. Now this rear seat is going to be a bench seat that you can fold down simply by pulling this lever, and then the seats will fold down for you. Down below, we're going to have those additional tools and spare tire for those unforeseen events. Hopefully you never need it, but just in case, that's where it's at. Let's check out the back seat. We'll open that up. Once again, you guys know about power windows. From that point, you got some additional cubby space down below. Nice premium cloth seats. Carpet mats come standard, no additional charge. All right, as we open up the driver's side door, nice little bit of trim work on the door. A little bit of cloth within the armrest. And you know about power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All that's pretty easy and straightforward. Window lock button just in case you have anyone misbehaving. Some additional cubby space down below. Then you have your trunk button. You're going to have a manual seat, so it's going to be a pump action. Pump up to raise, pump down to lower, squeeze bar to slide forward and back. Then you also have your recline from that point. Hood release. Let's start it up. All right, over here on the left-hand side, you got some additional buttons. You got your road departure, vehicle stability assist, and your forward collision magnetic braking if you ever want to turn those on or off. Hands-free for your phone, so you can answer, you can hang up, back out of the menu. Then you also have voice commands, so you can click that and say, hey, call Crazy Honda Chris on mobile phone. Gives me a call. I'll answer all of you guys' questions. You have all of your media stuff from right here. Let's kind of check out what's on the display as I kind of select the buttons from there. And there we are, back at the menu. All right, this steering wheel is going to be a telescope. It's going to be all the way down below. There we go. So it's going to go in and out, up and down, so you can adjust as you see fit. We're going to have auto lights. You got your wipers on the other side. Simply as you pull those down, the more you pull it down, the faster they're going to go. Pull back towards you, then it's going to spray the window clean. All of your Honda sensing features are going to be over here on the right-hand side. So pretty much you can tell when it's available by the green writing. If I hit the main button, you can see the green writing up there is ACC. Then you have your lane keep assist system. So adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. If you don't see it, just hit that main button. It's going to be an on and off button from there. Now this is going to be your lane keep assist button. So when you're doing your highway driving, it's going to be between 45 and 90 miles an hour, and it finds lines on the road to be filled in white dotted lines right up there. Right now we're not going the proper speed and finding lines on the road, so it's hollowed out dotted lines. Now let's say we're driving down there, we meet that criteria, go out of your lane a little bit, it will beep. You can turn that beep on or off, and it also brings you back, recenters you from that point, keeps you in the center of your lane. We have your cruise control, then you can set the speeds from that point for your cruise control. Then you have your adaptive part. As you select this button here, you can see those lines up there changing. So more lines means further away, less lines means closer. We're setting the distance between you and the car in front of you. So you can use this at any given time when you have your cruise control on. Hit that button, set the distance. So let's say you're going, I don't know, 45, the car in front of you is going 40, right? It will find that car within that distance, give you a little visual saying, hey, see that little button right there has a little white car. We'll display a little white car up there. It'll also beep at you to let you know if on a car will slow you down to maintain that distance and match your speed with theirs. Once they get out of the way, and you go right back to whatever your cruise control is set at from that point. Now over here you have a nice setup. So we're going to have a, well, let's turn on the radio. Perfect. So you're going to have FM, AM radio, a little bit of media, hit that. You don't have a CD player, but you can download CDs and music onto a flash drive. You have your flash drive for media, then Bluetooth capabilities from that point. You can also change the brightness of the screen by hitting this button right up top. As you can see, it changes the brightness. You got your phone, you can pair up multiple phones, and then you can change obviously your music, stuff like that. The way this, stereo is set up. Volume, tuner, off button from that point. Down below we have your climate control. You got your fan, temperature, front defroster, rear defroster, different modes, then your AC. Now down here below we're going to have some additional USB ports. So there it is. We have the extender already plugged in. Then you're going to have a 12-volt plug-in on the other side, on the passenger side, with a nice little tray. So we'll plug that back in for the next person. That leads right up to here, but on this tray from that point. We have a couple different drives here. So you guys already know park, reverse, neutral, drive. You have a sport drive, then a low gear drive. We have an econ button. As you smack that econ, you get a nice little green leaf up there to let you know it's on. Now it's off. Now the whole point of econ is going to make you more fuel efficient, most effective for your highway driving. You may get anywhere from 2 to 4 more miles to a gallon depending on how aggressive you're driving. How it does that, you could be sacrificing electrical power, AC power, and acceleration to give you better fuel economy from that point. Okay, so those really hot summer days, you got to choose. You want to be fuel efficient or do you want to be comfortable? Speaking about feeling comfortable, let's turn that up. All right, now corresponding with that, guys, you got these nice little white lights up here on the top. They turn from white to green as a visual coaching to let you know when you're being fuel efficient. White as you're not, green as you are from that point. You have a hold brake, you have electrical parking brake, armrest, opens right up, got a nice little tuck away pocket area, cup holders. These will come out, so if you need to clean them just in case for those unforeseen accidents, you're set. Place for the big gulp from right down below. Nice little bit of trim work within the dash. Glove box, big enough, challenge accepted, fill it up, forget whatever's in there. Nice kind of little paddings here on the front seats. All right, so yeah, there it is. We'll take one last look here along the outside. So pretty much the 2021 Honda Civic LX is for those people looking for a commuter that don't want or need all the bells and whistles. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment down below or contact me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda. Then also, if you guys want to share with the community about your Honda Civic, one that you guys drove or owned, kind of share what kind of generation it is, what you guys' thoughts about the Honda Civic. I would greatly appreciate that. All right, well, thank you again, guys. This is Crazy Honda Chris, putting James in driveways. Thanks for watching.